going to be showing you how to fix an iPad. What you'll need is an LCD temperature controller. You will need a broken iPad. You will need a screwdriver. You will need a few prying tools, which I have about 5 over here. And you will also need a suction cup of any form. You might need a cloth, but that's aside from the point. So what you will want to do is you will want to put the iPad on the LCD temperature controller for about 60 minutes. And then you really got to work this in here on any of the cracks and break it off. And with any of, well, just something that you can put under there and you have a lot of, you just place them in until a certain point. And yeah. But this one is already opened for me, which I did already. So I don't have to take recuts. Now I also already got out most of the screws, so what you gotta do is you gotta find the 4 little screws connecting the LCD to the main iPad. Then you will have to lift the LCD. Be very careful not to touch it, like I already did. And there will be these 2 little cables back here. This one is connected to the digitizer, which is what you will need to pull out. You will also need to pull out the LCD, just in case, and so that you can get a good look in there, see if anything else is broken, and also probably to clean it out. And then you will need to change the digitizer, and basically that's pretty easy. It's not the hardest thing to do, but you will need a few of these kits, which come with a digitizer. You can just order them offline. And right here, you will see that the model number. And the model number is very important because it will allow you to see which kit you need out of these many kits. And basically, you got to be careful when you're removing it. But that is having the point. You basically can plug everything in once you have the new stuff. Once you have the new things in to place. And then be careful of the broken glass. Really, come on. I think I'm just going to cut this out. Why aren't you going in? Silly little cable, get in there. Go in. Oh yeah, also this will require some patience and maybe some tweezers, which were removed from my custody. Long story short, you can just pop it in like that, but it's really hard to do. And after that, you'll need to screw in all of the screws and get it aligned with the correct screw holes. Oh, I nearly forgot something. What we're replacing. Oopsie daisies. Don't do that. I'm doing an example of what not to do right now. Yeah. Don't be me. And just forget. Forget about it. And then you gotta put in all these screws. Oh yeah, this is also once you have the digitizer reconnected. There we go. And then basically you just peel off all the stuff. Oh yeah, make sure that the Wi-Fi antenna doesn't do that. And then you can just reseal it and everything is all good. And that, my friends, is how you fix an iPad.